morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to my 2,820th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. This video is coming at you on a Monday evening for trading, Monday afternoon for trading Monday evening through Tuesday, and that would be, of course, October 29th, 2024. So before we get into what's on the board, let me just explain and let me make sure that you understand this is a very risky game. Trading markets, trading stocks, trading futures, trading indexes, trading options, trading crypto. It's all very, very risky. One of the ways we mitigate that risk is we put our protective stops in first. Stops in first. That is one of the best ways to mitigate this. If you are having trouble in markets and it's beating up your account, put your stops in first. You'll live a lot longer in this business. All right, so let's move forward. If you know about risk, let's see what's going on out there. Let's look for some reward. This is the mini Dow, the YM, just to show you the chart. It looks like we've got some kind of a pattern where we bounce off this support line and bounce off the support line and bouncing off the support line with the help of the average. And the OMNI is starting to go back into a buy the dips mode in certain U.S. indices. So this one being an example, you can see what's going on here, at least as far as finding some support. And maybe, just maybe, we'll figure out how to buy something like the Russell 2000 for trading on Tuesday if it sets up. We'll see what sets up. But the mini Dow, I don't know if we're going to buy that. But the Dow itself, the transportation average, the Russell 2000, they're starting to look a little better. We're starting to get some buy the dips type of movement. And I wanted to show you that. So we will be looking to buy the dips in certain U.S. indices for trading on Tuesday. If you don't know what to trade, where, or why, join me in my live trading room at livewithoscar.com and I'll help you out. All right, so that's your mini Dow, which basically encompasses even the S&P, NASDAQ, Russell, that gamut of markets and futures. There's a very exciting one here. Look at Bitcoin. Oh my goodness, it finally made its way through this top trend line, which it almost never gets through, right? But it did, and it's holding strong. Woohoo! Let's go. So yes, it broke out. Many of you Omniacs called it correctly. Thank you so much for your answers. Where do you think it's going to go next? Now that you were correct about Bitcoin finally breaking out and getting above the top line of this huge flag right here, how high do you think it will go? And be realistic with your answers, please. If you don't mind, answer below. Tell me what price you think Bitcoin goes to next. Are you expecting 70,000? Are you expecting 72,000? If you have a number, I don't care what that number is, as long as it makes some kind of sense technically. Tell me what it is. Leave a comment below. Tell me where you think markets are going, and we'll see how many of us get it right. I've already got my projection. Let's see what your projections are. My projection is on the upside, by the way. Let's see what your projections are. Leave them below now. Leave your comment. Tell me what you think of Bitcoin. If you don't write it now, do some analysis after the video. Come back here. Make sure you leave a comment. I want to see which one of us gets this right. I know I'm getting it right. Let's see if you cats figure it out as well. Let's see what else is there for you to see this evening. Oh yeah, Mstr. Traders, remember I told you I don't care which way the stock market goes in the next few weeks. Matters not to Mstr. Mstr goes to 277. MicroStrategy Bitcoin play. We were right here at 235. Mstr was at 235 by this arrow. And I offered a 277 target. No matter which way the stock market goes, expect Mstr to go to 277 in, the next few days, weeks. It'll take a little time, but it'll get there. Well, that was a few days ago at 235. Guess what happened? We went as high as, and I'll let you see the print for yourself. We went as high as, drum roll please, the high is right there, to 59.50 so far from 235. Target being 277. It is on its way. It will get there. That's MSTR. It's mstr.o if you're using Metastock. For other systems, it may have a different one. I believe it's MSTR without the .o. Take a look at the chart yourself. 277 remains a valid target. I hope this video helps you. I hope offering MSTR last week helped you. And make sure you join me at livewithoscar.com in my free live trading room so I can help you even more. Remember, Bitcoin, I want your targets. Please give me your price targets below this video. And then get ready for tonight. You know what tonight is? We've got the World Series with the Yankees, yeah! And we got the Giants playing Monday Night Football in the same evening. Get ready for that. Sounds like fun for me. And say this to yourselves over and over again when you're in a trade because I know it will help you. Are you with me? 1, 2, 3. Stop, soar, in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll traders, thank you so much for tuning in. Leave me your Bitcoin price. Make sure you leave comments, like, and share these videos all over the internet. And I will see you all at livewithoscar.com. Come join the site. It's absolutely free. Thanks for tuning in, traders.